With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that assertion dissolution of concentrated H2SO4 in water is highly exothermic process. Reason: sulfuric acid is always diluted by adding acid to water slowly. So here two statements are given, assertion and reason. We have to check whether these are true or not, and here we are given four options, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to select one option. So in assertion it is given dissolution of concentrated H2SO4 in water is highly exothermic process. So this is true. When we add H2SO4, which is a strong acid, to water, then a large amount of heat is released in that process. That is why it is highly exothermic process. So we have H2SO4, which is a strong acid, right? So when it will be dissolved in water, we know that it is a strong acid. So in water, in aqueous form, it will dissociate. So from here we get H3O positive ions, plus we get SO4 2 negative ion, and a large amount of heat is released in this process. Since a large amount of heat is released in this process, so it is a exothermic reaction. It is exothermic reaction, because exothermic reactions are those in which a large amount of heat is released, and in this process a large amount of heat will be released. So it is highly exothermic reaction. So this is true. Now the reason is given, sulfuric acid is always diluted by adding acid to water slowly. So this is also true. For diluting the acid, always add acid to water slowly, because you see, when we add acid to water, it is a highly exothermic process because here heat is released. So always add acid to water slowly, because if you add acid to water fastly, then what happens? A large amount of heat will be released, which can break the test tube, and acid can splash on your hands or your face. So this is not at all safe, right? So always add acid to water slowly, and never add water to acid. Never add water to acid, because in that case, due to more acid, the heat released will be very large, because if you add water to acid, heat released will be very large, which can cause accidents, right? It can break the test tube, acid can splash on your hands, right? So always add acid to water slowly, so that small amount of heat will release and it will not cause any accident. So here the reason is true. But here reason is not explaining the assertion. It is not explaining the assertion that why concentrated H2SO4 in water is highly exothermic process. Right? So both are true, but reason does not explain the assertion. So if you look at the option, in option 1 it is given both assertion and reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. So this is wrong. In option 2 it is given both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So this is the correct answer. In option 3 it is given assertion is true but reason is false. So this is also wrong. And in option 4 given both assertion and reason are false statement. So this is also wrong. So here correct option is option 2. If both assertion and reason are true but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion, then mark 2. So here 2 is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.